Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, ICN Noor Academy. Let's start the assembly with Surah Al-Fatiha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you and Jazakallah for that wonderful recitation. This week, I dropped in on kindergarten to see if they knew why we come to ICN. Let's take a look. Assalamu alaikum, kindergarten dolphins.
Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
All right. So tell me, why do we come to ICN?
Muslims.
Right, to become better Muslims. And being better Muslims makes us better?
People.
And better learners and a better community. Excellent. And here are a couple of our friends saying Bismillah.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I'm going to be putting a stamp on my sister. Bismillah.
Now I need everyone to put on their thinking caps because Muslims have to be good thinkers, right? Last week I asked you what happens after fall. You might have said the next season is winter, and then spring, and then summer, fall, winter, and spring again. That's called a cycle. Now this week, look around and see what other cycles you observe in nature. These cycles in nature are signs of Allah's creation. And that's what I'd like you to do this week. And now it's time to see who will recite Surah Al-Fatiha next. Ameen Mumtaz. Congratulations, Ameen. Guess what? That was the last name in the jar. So I'm putting in all new names. Pre-K and kindergarten students, you should practice because now it's your turn. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.